From Sioux City Skywatch, this is a severe weather alert.
High wind warning in effect until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Saturday. Wind advisory remains in effect from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Saturday. What for the high wind warning? South winds 35 to 40 mph with gusts up to 60 mph for the wind advisory. Southwest winds 30 to 35 mph with gusts up to 55 mph expected. Where in South Dakota, Gregory, Charles Mix, Bonham, Yankton and Clay counties. In Nebraska, Dixon and Dakota counties. This includes the tribal lands of the Yankton Sioux tribal nation. When for the high wind warning, until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Saturday. 4. The wind advisory, from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Saturday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: isolated stronger winds are possible near any thunderstorms tonight. The strong winds will also lead to elevated fire danger, especially on Saturday. Precautionary preparedness actions: people should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.
Trust the power of high-resolution NEXRAD Doppler radar. Live streaming severe weather coverage on Facebook, YouTube.
Stay with Midwest Skywatch. We'll keep you advised.
And online at MidwestSkywatch.com. We are Midwest Skywatch. Calm, collected, informative.